Hello friends, today I am going to show you an amazing website. The website name is Scale of the Universe. First friends, you open Chrome browser and writing here Scale of the Universe, and you see here first site. Click here. Click here start exploring. Join this website you can see how small and how big everything in the universe. This website is very simple to use but very powerful. With just one scroll you can see how small we are in this universe. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.